Unable to install a VM into another VM. My host computer is running Windows 10, and my guest is Ubuntu in VirtualBox. I am trying to run a third VM on the Ubuntu, but VirtualBox says, failed to open a session for the virtual machine Windows XP. VTX is not available. var_VMX_no_VMX. It also returned an error code of 0 by 80,004,005. I have virtualization enabled, of course. It's not even an option to turn off in my BIOS, ZZ170A. My machine is very high-end, so I know it can run it. I've ruled out everything I can.
What you're trying to do is nested virtualization. It's not supported in VirtualBox and in no way is a priority for them. You'll need to run the XP VM in the host instead. In theory, you could run plain old Camel in the VM. It emulates the whole processor and pretty much the whole system. To do this, but the performance will be really bad.
If you want a possível schnell, diese considerasse pequenininha.